Hi everyone, happy holidays. Here's a super easy recipe for Palmiers, Palmeras, like we like to call them. I brought store-bought pastry sheets. I put sugar on the bottom, sugar on the top. Roll it out. Added more sugar in between. Roll them towards the middle, as you see here. Freeze for about 20 minutes. Take it out, as you see here. Cut. Place on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Your oven is preheating at 425 degrees while you're doing this. Once you have them all lined up, put them in the oven. Bake for about 10 minutes. Take them out. Flip them very gently. They're a little bit hard to flip. Just be gentle. You don't want to break them. So once you flip them around, you're going to put them back in the oven for another about 8 to 9 minutes. And you're going to take them out and they are ready. This reminds me of my childhood so much. These came out amazing. Delicious, melt in your mouth goodness. You have to give these a try. Next up, I'll be making guava and cheese pastelitos. And also ground beef pastelitos. So stay tuned for those as well. Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. See you next time.